Right, so you got a book sight unseen about amplifiers sound unheard. Let's find out what a couple of these projects sound like, okay? Back in a flash. Right, so I started my discussion on amplifiers and cigar box guitar amplifiers in particular, starting with the power amp section. And that's a bit of a misnomer because I actually started with the speaker box, which is no power amplifier at all. It's just a speaker in a box. So I have a few examples, and I'm going to choose one of the power amps to plug my guitar into. I'm going to run through a couple of examples just so you can see how the different speakers affect everything else remaining the same. All right, so here we go. Right, so for this first test, I'm going to use the LM386, not because it's my favorite, actually it's my least favorite, but in terms of comparing all the different speakers, this will do the job. So there you have the first batch of what the heck does this stuff sound like. I used the same power amp, the LM386, not my favorite circuit, but it was the same thing plugged into a series of different speakers. Let me know which speaker you think sounded the best. I have my own favorites, but I want to see what you guys think. And I'll have some affiliate links in the description as well as some non-affiliate links. Do me a favor, like it, subscribe it, ring a bell if you want to, and follow a link and go buy something. Love it.